Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today we are going to discuss about a homeopathic medicine, Symphoricarpus racemosus, which is also called as snowberry. This medicine is a top grade medicine for morning sickness. Morning sickness are the vomiting and nausea of pregnant women in the morning time. In pregnancy, such women cannot eat because the smell of the food and even thought of the food feels to be irritable or cause nausea and vomiting. The taste of the food, every type of food, become bitter for such women. These symptoms increase by motion. A slight motion can cause vomiting and nausea in pregnant women. In such symptoms, pregnant women cannot eat any type of the food due to vomiting and nausea. These symptoms are also found in some women during menses. In menses also, such symptoms are increased by motion and ameliorate by laying on the back. In pregnancy and menses, both cases, amelioration is by laying on the back. Such women also have severe constipation, and vomiting and nausea with constipation are the main symptoms for this medicine, Symphoricarpus racemosus. In such cases, in my experience, this medicine